Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Nafiz here and I am back here with another video of my Python series. In this lecture we'll see how we can use list in Python and different operations of Python. So if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon for my future video notifications. So let's get started with this video. First of all, need to create a new Python file. So I'll create a new Python file here. I will name it list.py. Okay, so what is a list? Say suppose we have a list called names. So how we start a list? We start a list in square brackets. Inside the square bracket we write a single quotation. Inside that we write our list elements. Suppose I write Nafiz here and write D here and write Asif here, Munna, and we separate every elements using a comma. Every elements using a comma. So this is how we define a list. So how we print our list? We can simply say print and names, and we can run this. So in our console we can see exact copy of our main list as it is. We can see in our console. So this is how we can declare a list and print a list. So suppose we want to print each and every sorry say suppose we want to print each and every element of our list. So what can we do? We can use a for loop. So what we are doing here, we will iterate through each and every element of our list using a for loop. Suppose we have a element value of I. So for I in names. So this I is our iterator which will go inside our names list, and which will, if we write print here, it will print each and every element of our list. So we run this and we can see each and every element has printed separately because we have used a for loop here and I as a iterator of this list. So what else we can do? We can select a single element of a list using its index. So our list index starts with 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So say suppose we want Asif. So what we can do, we can print. Say suppose we want to print, so we'll write the names, our list name, then our square brackets. Inside this we need to write our index. So what is the index of Asif? It's 2 because our list starts from 0, 1, 2. So if we print this, we can see in our console we have Asif because Asif is at index 2. So this is how we can target a specific index element of our list using this index system. So what else we can do? We can modify our list using index. We can modify our list using index. So how we modified our list is simple. Suppose we write our list names, then we need to write the index, which element we want to modify. So suppose we want to modify the one index, and we will give here the element of say suppose we give here Kamal, and now if we print our names, we can see we don't have 50 anymore because we have changed it with Kamal here. We have changed it with Kamal here. So this is how we can modify our list. This was for today's video. I hope you understand today's video. We have seen how we can initialize our list, how we can modify our list, how we can target a specific element of our list, and how we can print our list. So if you haven't understand it, you can go through the video several times. I hope then you will definitely understand the lecture. So I will be back with another lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye.